In this GlowShift Gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift water temperature sensor adapter on your 2004 to 2007 Ford truck with a 6.0 Powerstroke. Ensure the engine has completely cooled down before starting installation. Start by removing the petcock on the radiator to drain the coolant into a catch pan. Be sure to reinstall the petcock into the radiator. Move the catch pan under the engine and remove the factory coolant plug on the driver's side of the engine block using an 8mm Allen key. Remove the plug quickly as the remaining coolant in the engine will start to pour out immediately. Thread the water temp sensor adapter into the side of the engine block and tighten it with a 22mm socket and extension. Thread the sensor into the adapter and tighten it with a 14mm wrench. Be sure to use Teflon tape on the sensor threads. Connect wires to the sensor signal and ground wires and run the opposite ends to the firewall. Be sure to keep them away from heat and moving parts by securing them with zip ties. Refill the coolant system. Start the truck and check for leaks, allowing it to reach operating temperature. Top off the coolant according to the manufacturer's specifications. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift water temp sensor adapter and sensor into your 2004 to 2007 Ford truck with a 6.0 Powerstroke. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.